Are you curious about the benefits of different types of proteins? Maybe you're looking for the best sources of protein to fuel your active lifestyle. Well, in this video, I'm going to go over the health benefits of different types of proteins and explain why they should be a part of every healthy diet. Hi everyone, my name is Eric and I am an integrative nutrition health coach and the shirt and tie health guy. And today we're going to discuss the health benefits of different types of proteins, from animal-based proteins to plant-based proteins to protein powders. There are a variety of options when it comes to getting enough protein into your diet, but which is right for you? What are the differences between plant-based and animal-based proteins? Well, we'll answer all those questions and more in this video. Let's go. Let's begin by understanding what protein is and why it's so important in our diets. Protein is one of three macronutrients, along with carbohydrates and fats, that our bodies need in large quantities to function properly. It's made up of smaller units called amino acids, which are often referred to as the building blocks of life. These amino acids are essential for the growth and repair of our muscles and tissues, but their role doesn't stop there. They also help to create enzymes, hormones, and antibodies, and can be used as a source of energy. Now, imagine all these processes happening in your body, and you can clearly see why protein plays such a critical role in our health and well-being. It's not just about building muscle, but about keeping our bodies functioning optimally. Whether you're an athlete aiming for better performance, or just someone looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle, getting adequate amount of protein is vital. So let's dive into animal-based proteins. These proteins, derived from sources such as meat, eggs, and dairy, are considered complete proteins. This means they provide all 9 essential amino acids that your body requires for optimal function. Essential amino acids are those that your body cannot produce on its own, so it relies on obtaining them from dietary sources. Animal-based proteins offer a convenient and reliable way to fulfill your amino acid needs. Additionally, these proteins are often rich in B vitamins, particularly B12, which plays a crucial role in nerve function and the production of red blood cells. By incorporating animal-based proteins into your diet, you can ensure that your body receives the essential amino acids it needs in order to thrive. Switching gears, let's take a look at plant-based proteins. Derived from sources like beans, nuts, and seeds, plant-based proteins may not always be complete proteins, meaning they don't contain all 9 essential amino acids. But they do offer a diverse and healthy way to meet your protein needs. Some examples of plant proteins that are considered complete include quinoa, hemp seeds, and soy. Plant-based proteins are also packed with additional health benefits. They are typically rich in fiber, which supports digestive health and helps maintain a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management. They also contain phytonutrients, antioxidants that protect the body from cell damage and fight off diseases. Incorporating plant-based proteins into your diet can also support heart health. Moreover, plant proteins often come with a bounty of vitamins and minerals, such as iron, potassium, and magnesium, contributing to overall nutritional balance. Therefore, even if you're not a vegetarian or a vegan, including plant-based proteins in your diet can provide a variety of health benefits. As we explore further into the realm of proteins, we can't overlook the role of protein powders. These concentrated sources of protein, extracted from either plant or animal-based sources, cater to the needs of those who may not be getting enough protein through their diet. They are especially beneficial for athletes, physically active individuals, or those on plant-based diets. Protein powders are not only convenient, but they are also versatile. They can be added to smoothies, shakes, or even used in cooking and baking to increase the protein content of a meal. They offer a quick and efficient way to meet your daily protein quota, particularly after a workout when your muscles are primed for protein synthesis. However, it's essential to note that protein powders are not a substitute for whole foods, but should be used as a supplement to a balanced diet. They can be a valuable tool in your nutritional arsenal, helping to support muscle growth, repair, and recovery, as well as contributing to a feeling of fullness, which can aid in weight management. Therefore, integrating protein powders into your diet can prove to be a beneficial addition. Now, there are numerous types of protein powders available in the market, each with its unique profile of benefits. Whey protein is one of the most popular choices, particularly among athletes. Derived from milk, it's a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. Whey protein is rapidly absorbed by the body, making it an excellent choice for post-workout recovery. Casein protein, like whey, is also derived from milk, but is digested and absorbed much more slowly. This slow release effect makes casein ideal for providing a sustained protein supply, making it a great option before bedtime. Pea protein is a popular plant-based alternative and is especially beneficial for vegetarians, vegans, or those with dairy intolerances. It's high in branched-chain amino acids, which play a pivotal role in muscle growth and recovery. Hemp protein is another plant-based option that's gaining popularity. It's a complete protein and also offers the added benefit of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Each protein powder type caters to different needs and preferences, and choosing the right one depends on your individual dietary requirements, health goals, and lifestyle. I personally opt for whey protein as part of my daily regimen. I make a delicious smoothie with it that includes berries, a little bit of a banana, almond butter, some coconut milk, and some almond milk. It is absolutely delicious and it helps me reach my daily protein needs. However, I'll mention it again, this isn't a substitute for striving to get the majority of your protein from whole foods. So, consuming adequate protein each day is crucial for optimal health and well-being. Proteins, being the building blocks of the body, contribute significantly to muscle growth and repair, tissue health, and overall body functions. They play a key role in numerous biological processes, including hormone and enzyme production and immune response. Each protein type, whether it's whey, casein, pea, or hemp, caters to unique dietary needs and preferences. However, it's important to remember that while protein powders can supplement your protein intake, they should not replace whole food sources. Strive to fulfill your protein needs primarily from a balanced diet and use supplements like powders to fill any gaps as needed. All right, guys, that is all I have for today. Thanks for tuning into this week's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. And remember, taking care of your health isn't just about exercise or nutrition, it's about the overall lifestyle you live. So keep moving, eat well, and take care of your mind, body, and soul. And as always, be kind to yourself and stay motivated. We'll see you in the next video.